Have you ever walked into a bathroom and thought, something feels off, but you can't quite explain why? It's not always the size, and it's not always the budget either. Today, we're exposing the bathroom design mistakes that instantly make a space feel cheap. Wrong proportions, bad lighting, and messy details may seem small, but these tiny choices quietly downgrade the entire space. Once you see these bathroom design mistakes that feel cheap, you'll never unsee them, and the fixes are simpler than you think, so make sure to watch until the end. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Mistake number 1, wrong mirror size. Look at this before photo. The mirror was installed above the sink, but it felt like an afterthought instead of part of the vanity design. The mirror was too narrower than the vanity sink, so the sink area looked disconnected and visually weak. Even though the mirror itself was clean and frameless, the wrong size made the whole bathroom feel unfinished and cheap. Now, take a look at this vanity design. You can upgrade to a wide proportion mirror that matches the width of floating wall-mounted vanity, and that relationship is what fixed the space. Because the mirror aligns with the vanity, the wall finally feels anchored, so the sink area looks intentional instead of floating. Get the mirror size right, so the entire bathroom looks polished, custom, and expensive without touching anything else. Mistake number 2, cheap-looking finishes and fitting. If your bathroom uses different finishes, you might think the fixtures don't matter that much, but they actually matter even more. Here, the walls are finished in large format terrazzo-look porcelain tiles, paired with patterned floor tiles, so the space already has a lot going on visually. You're probably using a standard floor-mounted toilet, a basic chrome faucet, and a polished steel shower set. That's also one of the main reasons why the bathroom feels cheap. When you walk in, instead of feeling clean and calm, the space starts to feel busy and overwhelming, even if everything is brand new. Once you switch to one finish only, everything suddenly clicks. A large format stone-look porcelain tiles were used for both the floor and the walls, so the surfaces feel calm, continuous, and more expensive. Then, a wall-hung toilet was introduced, so the bathroom instantly feels more modern and hotel-like. With a wall-mounted matte black faucet, the vanity area immediately upgraded. And if you really want a clean, high-end look, go for a concealed shower system. Because there's less visual clutter, the shower wall feels calmer and more expensive, even in a small bathroom. The outcome is completely different from before. That's why matching your fixtures to your tile style is one of the easiest ways to make your bathroom feel designer level. Mistake number 3, shower curtain versus glass. When you have a shower area and you're using a shower curtain, it might be the main reason your bathroom feels smaller than it should. A translucent shower curtain may let some light through, but it still breaks visual continuity. It adds another layer of visual interruption, so the bathroom ends up feeling narrower and more cramped than it actually is. Switching to a clear tempered glass shower partition completely changes how the room feels. A setup with clear glass and a slim black aluminum frame keeps the view open while still containing water, so nothing visually cuts the space in half. Light can now travel freely across the bathroom, so the room feels brighter, more open, and more comfortable to use. Mistake number 4, bad lighting. One of the mistakes most homeowners keep repeating is bad lighting. When a bathroom relies only on ceiling lights like this recessed pin lights, the light comes straight down, so important areas like the mirror and sink end up with harsh shadows. This makes daily tasks like washing your face or showering feel uncomfortable. Good bathroom lighting works in layers, not with a single light source. Consider adding cove lighting along the ceiling. It creates soft, even brightness, so the room feels calmer and more spacious. A backlit mirror lights your face evenly, so the vanity feels intentional and functional instead of harsh. LED strip lighting under the vanity or inside shelves adds depth, so the bathroom feels warmer and more refined, especially at night. That's why fixing the lighting instantly upgrades the bathroom. Proper lighting makes the space feel brighter, more balanced, and noticeably more expensive. Mistake number 5. Exposed clutter. The fastest way a bathroom starts to feel cheap is when everything is left out in the open. Clutter can quietly ruin the entire space. When bottles and toiletries are all visible on the counter or shelves, they compete with the wall tiles, so your eyes don't know where to rest. Different shapes, labels, and colors create visual noise, so the bathroom feels busy, even when it's technically clean. Instead of looking styled, the space starts to feel crowded and unorganized. A cleaner bathroom isn't about having fewer items, but about hiding them properly. Using a closed upper cabinet with open shelves allows daily essentials to stay close while keeping only simple items visible, so the wall feels calmer. Recessed niches organize items vertically and keep only a few carefully chosen pieces visible. Reducing exposed clutter instantly makes the bathroom feel more refined. When your eyes aren't overwhelmed, the space feels cleaner, calmer, and noticeably more expensive. Mistake number 6. No proper towel storage. One common mistake that makes a bathroom feel unfinished is having no proper towel storage. When towels don't have a clear place to go, they usually end up hanging anywhere, or worse, stacked on random surfaces. This creates visual clutter, so even a well-designed bathroom can start to feel messy and unplanned. Proper towel storage isn't just about drying towels, it's about organizing them in a way that looks intentional. Using dedicated towel bars keeps towels neatly aligned, so the wall feels more structured and balanced. Vanity shelf storage allows extra towels to be neatly folded and stored, so fresh towels are still easy to grab when needed. When towels are stored properly, the bathroom instantly feels calmer, more organized, and more refined. These are the most common bathroom mistakes that make your space look cheap. Each one slowly takes away from how the space looks and feels, and now you know exactly how to fix them. In architectural interior design, it's never just about style. It's about fixing the details that change everything. Fixing just 2 or 3 of these mistakes can already transform how your bathroom feels. So imagine how much better it can be when you fix all of them. Save this video before your next renovation. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.